LCA is a standard method to quantify the environmental impact of products or services through the entire life cycle from the raw material extraction to the end of life. Current LCA methods incorporate biodiversity through land use and land use change impacts via methods such as recipe and LC impact. These methods mostly quantify the biodiversity loss by impact and by metrics such as potentially disappeared fraction of a species. There are also other metrics that use spatial data and ecosystem impacts for biodiversity footprinting. Natural capital accounting is a tool to measure the changes in the stock and condition of natural capital in each ecosystem, and it's a standard way to integrate the flows and values of ecosystem services into reporting and accounting. Natural capital accounting can quantify the improvements and degradation in ecosystem over time, and biodiversity can be measured by natural capital accounting with using the indicators to quantify the changes in the size, in the shape, or the composition of the natural states of each ecosystem. Natural capital accounting offers a structured and policy-relevant data on biodiversity and ecosystem, which can be linked with the economic value of the ecosystem. And it gives some significant action points to improve the biodiversity status of that ecosystem. One of the main challenges in connecting LCA and NCA is connecting the product level environmental impacts with the ecosystem extent and conditions from natural capital accounting. This needs aligning the different indicators to have a consistency between the LCA data and NCA. Natural capital accounting provides a systematic view on the environmental impacts in ecosystem level, while life cycle assessments provides a product level environmental impacts. So while NCA is looking at the macro level of the environmental impacts in an ecosystem, LCA can help us to look at the environmental impacts on the macro level. Combining LCA and NCA will help us to have a complete picture of the environmental impacts over the ecosystem. Working on the indicators for life cycle assessment and natural capital accounting, I would like to know in the forest sector which indicators are relevant for biodiversity footprinting, and especially those indicators that can capture the environmental impacts of the company's activities, the positive impacts of the company activities, and the negative impacts of the activities. CircHive is working closely with the businesses and the cities in providing a community for biodiversity knowledge. And in future, after this phase, we are done with the case studies, and then we will use the knowledge that we have developed for other companies, for other cities, to provide the knowledge on biodiversity footprinting. And we would like to see the effect of what we are developing in the CircHive to broader businesses and audience. So I'm excited that we are expanding the community of businesses and the cities, and we will see the effect of our work on a bigger community.